Hi everyone, it's Natalie and welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So today we're doing another shopping haul Sunday. So we're unboxing, I just got this in the mail, ECOSLAY. I have been wanting to purchase ECOSLAY for over close to 2 years. I've been wanting to purchase it. I first heard about it. I said, wow, I would really want to purchase it. And what I like about ECOSLAY is that it is their eco, they care about the environment. They care about the recycling, and I'm all for a company that really wants to make a difference in the world. So I couldn't, it was really hard to decide on what products to go for because everything looked so good. So what is ECOSLAY? So basically, ECOSLAY has grown. They came into the curly hair world in 2015. It is handmade. Each of the products are handmade in Adria's kitchen. They ship out each of the order from their house, not a warehouse. So she takes great pride in her products. And she really wants everyone to receive their products. So when I placed the order, I believe it was, I think like 2 weeks, I think, or a week. No, it was 2 weeks because it takes time to make your product. You don't rush it. You want this to be a really good product. And their values are reach one, teach one. No one knows, I'm quoting from their website. No one knows everything, nor do we have the time to try. We all have our passions and gain knowledge by pursuing them. Our passion is hair care. With that, it is our responsibility to share what we've learned with you so you can increase your own knowledge base. This means that we won't simply list sustainable organic red palm oil as an ingredient in our hot sauce. We'll tell you why we put it in there. We don't just craft our edge brush, including its bristles from bamboo. We'll tell you why we did. Let us make you a little smarter when it comes to this stuff. No need for you to reinvent the wheel, and then maybe this will free you up to spit some knowledge on us about your passion as well. They use ingredients that are good for you. They believe that you are what you eat. We also believe that what you put on your body is just as important as what you put in. So why should we take the time to put organic fruits and vegetables in our diet while slathering our hair and scalp with ingredients that we can't pronounce? Each ingredient in our products is carefully chosen because it gets the job done and it's good for you. You don't have to worry about reading the ingredients label, although you should, because you can trust that we have your back. They respect the environment. This home is not just ours. We only get to take it in. It's awe. It's because of those that have come before us. This means that we have a responsibility to consider that those that will come after us. Let's not be arrogant. Let's not be selfish. Instead, let's be grateful and honor that the left in it. Let's be grateful and honor that those that left it in decent shape for us by doing our best to keep it that way for future use and our kids and our grandkids and their grandkids. Come on, man. Stepping off the soapbox, sorry. Be kind to one another. Where do we even start? We got to lift each other up. The world can be a cruel place. We strongly believe that we've done our job when we put a smile on your face and a spring in your step. On social media, we take this most seriously. Our positive post gets our likes, and too much drama will get you unfollowed with a swiftness. This also translates into taking the time to respond to as many social media posts and emails as possible and doing whatever it takes to make you happy. With your ECOSLAY experience, nothing makes our day like a repeat customer or an email about our outstanding customer service. That lets us know we're doing our job. So, basically, they also have a recycling program, which I absolutely love. So the recycling club is here. You could participate. They are Curly Girl approved products. It is vegan friendly, cruelty free, sulfate free, paraben free. And they do handle all 4 types of hair: wavy, curly, coily, and kinky. And also they deal with dryness, frizz, growth, and breakage. Now, how does it work for the recycling program? So basically, how it works is, trying to get in there. Okay. So basically, you would sign up for the rewards program. You measure your box. A small box will fit 6 pouches. A medium will fit 16. A large will fit 24. Then you fill your box with the empty pouches. You fill out the form below and receive the free return label. And you mail off your pouches. So whenever you recycle your pouches, you get points. And that's amazing. I love it. I'm all for it. So, I am so excited. I am so ecstatically happy. Really, really happy. So, this is what I just got it. As you can see. Okay. All right. So, what I got was the following. I got buttercream. Okay. So, buttercream is a styling cream. Yeah, so this is a styling cream, buttercream. And this one is, you have to keep it, once you open it, you have to keep it refrigerated. All right. So that's that one. The next one that I got is chai latte. And this is a cleanser. Look at the packaging. Isn't that pretty? I mean, I have to admit, buttercream, like buttercream cake, that's really nice. I like that. And you have to keep it refrigerated once you open it. Isn't it pretty? I love it. I like it. The next one is orange marmalade. And this is a flaxseed and aloe curl definer. So it will be your gel. And this one is also refrigerated. And basically it tells you right here how many months that you have to use up the product. I'm trying to see if it says it on the other ones, but it's not really telling me. Okay. And for this is a container. And basically, I'm using it for the chai latte to put it in there. It's so cute, isn't it? The next one is rice pudding. And this is the leave-in conditioner. The next one that I got was matcha boost. This is a protein with quinoa and keratin. Okay. And to go with the matcha boost, this is the, I thought it was banana. Which one is this one? Oh, okay. It is banana cream. I couldn't see it because it was so tiny, but it's right up here. It says banana cream. So the banana cream and the matcha boost. So this is your protein and this is your moisture. So this is supposed to be moisture balanced together. They're the duo combo. So, and you keep that refrigerated. So all of these products are refrigerated. So basically, I got a card. It says the recycling club is here. And it tells you exactly how to do it. So I'm assuming, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 packets, and then I would be, so I don't know if I'm assuming that this box right here, this box is what you would put the empty pouches in there. And then they send you whatchamacallit, then you would receive the free packaging slip. And then you mail off your pouches. So you would keep that box. And I would just leave these popcorn in there. But yeah, this is pretty cool. And it has their little logo. That's nice. That's pretty nice. I like it. I thought this was glass, but it's not, but it's good. So, I'm excitedly happy, and I don't want to open it until wash day Wednesday. So, yeah. So, let me take this out of here. So, go with the, all right, so this is the cleanser. This is the leave-in. This is my, now, deep conditioner. You don't have, if you're doing a protein treatment, you could do that once a month. But with the deep conditioner, you're always going to do it every week. So this is that and that. And then, And then this is my gel. And also this is my styling cream. So yeah, let me just kind of move it out so that way you can see it, what I got. Okay. And that one. All right, everyone. So, as you can see, that. All right, everyone. So, that is it for today. All right. So, yeah, so that is my unboxing of the ECOSLAY. I'm really excited about it. And also, if you happen to like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And also click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you're always going to be notified whenever I post new videos. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.